Today I'll walk you through step by step how to connect Google Calendar with ClickUp so that your tasks and deadlines live in both places at once. ClickUp is a powerful all-in-one project management platform, and linking it directly to Google Calendar means you never have to manually copy due dates again. Your schedule and your work stay perfectly in sync. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into your ClickUp account. Head to app.clickup.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your home screen and you'll see a list of your workspaces along the left side. Make sure you select the specific workspace where you want this Google Calendar connection to live. If you use ClickUp for multiple teams or purposes, say one workspace for your agency and another for personal projects, the integration is set at the workspace level, so choose the right one before you go any further. With the correct workspace open, look to the very bottom left corner of the screen for your workspace avatar. That's the circular icon that usually shows your company logo or initials. Click it, and a menu will slide out. From there, select App Center, which may also be labeled Integrations depending on which version of ClickUp you're running. This is the central hub where ClickUp manages all of its third-party connections, and it's worth taking a moment to scroll through everything available. You'll find integrations for Slack, Zoom, GitHub, and dozens more tools. But today, naturally, we're focused on Google Calendar. Scroll through the integration directory until you spot Google Calendar. It's usually listed under the productivity or calendar category, so it shouldn't take long to find. Click on it to open the integration settings panel. You'll see a brief description of what the integration does, along with a button that says Connect or Add Integration. Go ahead and click that button. This is what kicks off the authorization process. A separate Google sign-in window will pop up in your browser. This is a standard OAuth flow, a secure industry-standard method of granting one app permission to talk to another without handing over your password. Sign in using the Google account that owns the calendar you want to sync. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the correct one here, because whichever account you authenticate with is the one whose calendars will be available for syncing. After you sign in, Google will present you with a permission screen listing exactly what ClickUp is requesting access to. Things like the ability to read, create, and edit calendar events on your behalf. Take a moment to read through these permissions so you understand what you're authorizing. When you're comfortable, click Allow. ClickUp will then go through a brief authorization handshake with Google servers. Give it a few seconds to complete. You'll see a confirmation message or a loading indicator while it finalizes the connection. Don't close the window during this step. Once the authorization finishes, you'll be returned to ClickUp and the integration screen will update to show that Google Calendar is now connected. This is where the real configuration begins. You'll be prompted to select which specific Google Calendar you want to sync. Most people have more than one calendar inside their Google account, perhaps a personal calendar, a work calendar, a shared team calendar. So pick the one that makes the most sense for your ClickUp workflow. Next, you'll choose your sync direction, and this is one of the most important decisions in the whole setup. A one-way sync pushes ClickUp tasks out to Google Calendar, meaning changes originate in ClickUp and flow to Google, but not the other way around. A two-way sync, on the other hand, lets updates travel in both directions. You can create or edit an event in Google Calendar and have it reflected back in ClickUp as well. For most users who want a truly unified view of their schedule, two-way sync is the better choice. But if you only want your task deadlines to appear as calendar events and nothing more, one-way is cleaner and avoids any accidental data conflicts. After choosing your sync direction, configure which ClickUp tasks or lists should feed into the calendar. You can choose to sync everything in the workspace, or narrow it down to specific lists or spaces, which is especially useful if you only want your high-priority project tasks appearing on your calendar and not every minor checklist item. Take a few minutes with these settings. A well-filtered integration is far more useful than a cluttered one. Then review the calendar event settings, where you can control how task names and dates are formatted as Google Calendar events. When everything looks right, save your integration settings. Now let's verify that it's all working. Create a test task in ClickUp with a due date set to sometime today or tomorrow. Then switch over to Google Calendar and refresh the view. Within a few minutes, sometimes within seconds, that task should appear as a calendar event. If it does, congratulations, the connection is live. Go back and edit the task, perhaps change the due date or the title, and confirm that the change syncs correctly to Google Calendar. If you're using two-way sync, try creating a quick event in Google Calendar and check that it flows back into ClickUp. If anything looks off, return to the integration settings in the App Center and adjust the sync options until the behavior matches what you need. One last piece of advice: set a reminder to revisit this integration periodically, perhaps once a month. OAuth tokens can occasionally expire, especially if you change your Google account password or revoke permissions accidentally. A quick check to confirm the integration still shows as connected in the App Center will save you from discovering at the worst possible moment that your deadlines have silently stopped syncing. You've now successfully connected Google Calendar with ClickUp, and from this point forward your tasks and your schedule will move together as one. You'll spend less time copying dates between apps and more time actually doing the work. Save this video so you can revisit these steps anytime the integration needs a refresh, and I'll see you in the next one.